Hi, I'm Chip Cochran. I'm the owner of Maori Heating, Air, and Plumbing. I have been in the heating, air conditioning, and plumbing business for 44 years, since I was 16, which was a long time ago. I am a pro in the Angie network. When installing a new water heater, a pro is going to come into your home. First, we have to drain the water heater. That has to go into your sump pit or your floor drain, whatever. Maybe outside, but it's also important to know where to put this hot water so we don't damage anything. Then we're going to disconnect your water lines, your flue pipe if it's a gas water heater, your gas line. If it's an electric water heater, we're going to disconnect your electric. This is important. You can't just disconnect a gas line or a flue pipe or high voltage electricity in someone's home and not understand how to do it. Then we will remove your old water heater, install your new water heater by reconnecting your water lines. Then we'll hook up your gas pipe, your flue, or your high voltage. This is extremely important. There's dangerous things going on in your home. There's natural gas or propane. There's flue gas, which can cause carbon monoxide. There's high voltage electricity. If anything is done incorrectly, it can be catastrophic. When hiring a pro, safety is a top priority. A pro is going to understand the local permits, the local codes. These are all dangerous things to mess with if you don't know what you're doing. You're talking to a pro as opposed to calling a big box store. When a big box store sells you a water heater, they subcontract a plumber to come install it. If that water heater fails, you're going to call the big box store, and it's going to take several days to get it taken care of. If a pro installs a water heater, you'll call that pro and they'll have somebody out quickly to take care of the water heater. A pro is the way to go. A pro will understand how to properly size your water heater. This involves how many bathrooms you have, how many fixtures you have, how many people live in your home. We'll know what to do when we're installing one as opposed to just grabbing something that looks like a water heater. Let's go over some of the installation and maintenance costs for the most common types of water heaters. The cost of installing a new tanked water heater can range between $1,500 and $3,500. This depends on where you live, your local permits, and local codes. The maintenance cost on that water heater can range from $50 to $200 annually. Regular maintenance is vital on a water heater. Every manufacturer suggests that you have your water heater drained and flushed and tuned up once a year. And the installation cost can range from $1,500 to $3,500. This depends on the size of your water heater, your local permits, and codes. When installing a tankless water heater, the range for installation can be between $3,500 and $8,500. This depends on the complexity of the installation. In some areas, a solar water heater makes sense. This is a tanked water heater with a solar panel added on your roof or somewhere in your yard. The initial cost of the tanked water heater is the same, $1,500 to $3,500. Then it will require a pro to install that solar panel and run the piping to your new water heater. The maintenance cost on a solar water heater is very similar to a tanked water heater, $50 to $200. Normal flushing, normal maintenance. Then you need to hire a pro to take a look at the solar panel annually to make sure it's up to snuff. The average install price on a heat pump water heater can range from $7,000 to $15,000 depending on the complexity of the installation. A heat pump water heater is more expensive than a standard water heater because it has a compressor, it has a condenser coil, an evaporator coil, and lots of electrical controls. Maintenance cost on a heat pump water heater also will range between $50 and $200. During this time, a pro will clean your condenser coil, clean your evaporator coil, flush your water heater, and check all the safety controls. Why is it important to call a pro when you're installing a water heater? A pro is going to know your local permits, your local codes. They're going to be insured. They're going to understand what to do with your flue pipe, with your gas pipe, and your high voltage electricity. A pro is going to know what to do in your home to keep you, your family, and your home safe. When scheduling a pro to install or check your water heater, the busiest time of year for plumbers is going to be around Thanksgiving and Christmas. That's when everybody wants hot water. so try to get a hold of us before then. A tip from a pro that you might not know is make sure you know where this shutoff is for your water heater. On top of your water heater, you will see 2 pipes coming into it. There will be a shutoff valve on one of those pipes. If you notice your water heater leaking, you need to shut it off while you're waiting on a pro to come repair it. Turn that off. That'll keep your water heater tank from leaking all over your home. You can find a pro on Angie. They will connect you with a local pro if you need service on your water heater.